Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the best video quality in CapCut, including 4K export settings. So let's get started. Open up your CapCut application and just like that, create a new project or open the one that you want to improve. Before editing anything, you need to fix the project settings. Simply tap on this drop down and then set your resolution to 2160p or 4K and then set your frame rate to 30 or 60 if possible. This ensures CapCut processes your video in the highest quality. Still on the settings, make sure these are enabled. Smart HDR and AI Ultra HD. The settings help your video to look clear and more vibrant. Now tap on the video that you have. And just like that, you need to go and simply turn on. Stabilize, tap onto it, and then set it to recommended. Once done, tap on this letter icon, then tap on enhance voice. You need to go and simply tap on allow. Tap on this button, then tap on tick mark. This helps restore detail and reduce blur before exporting. Tap on export and export your video. If you are posting the video on TikTok, you can turn on upload HD in settings. If it's on YouTube, you can simply upload as 4K even if the original was 180p. YouTube gives better quality to 4K uploads. That's it. That is how you can get 4K quality on CapCut. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.